Hi, this is Karen with WTI, and these are the Bismol makeup brush set. And I really like the fact that I can use these brushes for my concealer, which is a creamy product, and powder eyeshadows. They feel really soft to the touch. The application feels comfortable also and really gentle on my skin. It can be really challenging sometimes to apply cream blushes. With this beautiful brush, I did not have any issues. It blends beautiful. I hardly need to apply any pressure, and it just blends nicely. And because of the many brushes that this set has, I can grab one of the chunkiest one and do my contouring in a cream version, and it blends just so beautiful. And last but not least, my powder brush. I can use any translucent powder and it just applies beautiful. And they come in this practical bucket storage. And that's my point of view.